Hey everybody, Joseph Gazan here with Eureka Business Group, and today we're going to talk about open houses. And when you're hosting an open house, it doesn't matter if you're the listing agent or just another person helping the buyer's agent, helping the listing agent to host an open house. There's ways to do things, right? One of the most important things I like to cover is the script of how do you approach people when they walk into the house. There's going to be all kind of different people walking into the house. Sometimes they will be with their agent, sometimes they will be neighbors, sometimes they will be somebody else. So I like to kind of right out of the bat kind of engage them and understand who they are and what they're doing, right? So the first thing I'm asking them is, hey, welcome to our open house. There's only two kinds of people that really walk into an open house. Is the ones that are looking to buy a property in this neighborhood and the ones that are trying to assess what's the value of their own property. Which one of those are you? As you can see, that engages a conversation, but the more important thing, it helps you understand which kind of person you're looking for. Am I talking to a buyer that is looking to buy? In that case, the conversation goes to what are you looking for in a house? What are you looking for in a neighborhood? Do you have an agent already? Have you started the process? Are you pre-qualified? And all that line of questioning, right? And then if it's the other kind, right, then we just want to know it's a potential sale lead. It's a seller lead. So the conversation goes to, well, where exactly do you live? How big is your house? How does it compare to this one? What upgrades you have? And more importantly, can I come and do a listing presentation with you in a few hours or tomorrow? So asking the questions of which type of person are you gets you right out of the gate knowing, because think about it this way. If it's a seller lead, talking to them about the benefit of that house is a waste of time. And if they're a buyer person, they don't have a house to sell in this neighborhood, otherwise they will look for one in this neighborhood. So different kind of conversation for the two different types of people. Asking them right as they walk through the door is the best way to know how to continue the conversation and engage them in the best way. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, go get them.